inflamed. So whether this is infected or just inflamed, unfortunately now the membrane will be too thin, so we're just going to have to drain this. You can see how swollen it is through here. So we're looking at this from the standpoint of which way to incise. Around the shoulder can be tricky. Sometimes Langer's lines run this way, sometimes they actually run horizontally. You can see when I squeeze the skin, they're actually running, in her case, more horizontally, so we'll do a linear incision in this direction. So we're going to add some freezing in here again, remembering that sometimes it's not ideal when it gets inflamed like this, but we certainly want to make sure that we're hitting the superficial vessels as much as possible, the superficial nerve, sorry. Gonna feel a poke here, I apologize, poke. Gonna feel a burning.
Sweat go.
Yeah, this stings. So this is what I want to see. I want to see that blanch as much as possible, because at the very least we want to make sure we hit the superficial nerve endings. Those are the ones that really recognize acute pain. The deeper ones, while they're still significant, those are more like pain. So here again, we'll incise this and get this to drain. So does that hurt when I'm doing that there?
No, I don't feel anything.
No, good. So for this we use the number 11 blade. You gotta just put some 4x4s there so there's no big forward. Just be ready here as well. Just that down below. Yeah. You okay there? So this is what we expect, so that's still keratin. You can see it's getting infected. So a combination of pus and keratin, the least amount of discomfort, but still get the job done as best we can. So that's membrane right there, you can see it. See, that's just breaking apart. This becomes the problem always, just so. So now I'm just going to syringe this, see if we can clean it out a little bit. Okay. So generally I try to syringe this at different angles, just because I'm trying to break, again, down loculations affect the membrane in different degrees to see if it'll loosen up or break down a little bit more. Again, I'm going to swab it first. Packing again is something that we used to do for a very long time. Now we don't, so usually I'll just pack overnight. And then we'll see her back and we'll take that out. Again, so right now she's going to have freezing in place, so this won't be so bad. But if we were to try to do that tomorrow, it'd be pretty uncomfortable for her. And the reason why I do it at all, so she's not, certainly from a hemostasis